Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show how to solve Mysql database. If you face Mysql database unfortunately shut down, and if you watch this video you will be able to solve this problem. If you already watch a lot of video but you're not able to solve this problem, I hope if you watch this video for ending until ending you will be able to solve this problem. It's a common problem. If you use XAMPP you must face this problem. Don't worry about this. Okay, so let's start it.
Okay, first of all, let me show that problem. To show that problem, let me open XAMPP server control panel. Now you can see there's a XAMPP server control panel. I'm gonna open this, and here you can see Apache or Mysql. Then let me start this, and now you can see Apache is running properly. However, if I click Mysql, so you can see it's not running and working. Perfectly. Now you can see we are getting this message, right? Mysql shut down unexpectedly. So we are going to fix and this problem step by step. I'll show you. And right now I'm gonna stop this and then close this. Okay. Now we have to go to the where XAMPP server files or folder installed. Okay, and go there and open XAMPP server folder. Let me go there, open, and now you can see here XAMPP. Okay, this folder we have in this, and from here we have to, first of all we have to, and this is the first step, XAMPP. You can see XAMPP folder, we have to open this. You have to find out where XAMPP folder exists or available. And now scroll down and we have to find out MySQL. Okay, this folder, and I'm going to open this, and now you can see data. This folder basically will fix this. Okay, and we should copy this so that we don't lose anything. Okay, so I'm going to copy this, so you should copy, duplicate from here, and then I'm going to paste this. Okay, now it copied. So if we lost anything, so that we can recover, right? Then we should open data, folder, and here you can see some folders, and these are also database, as many database as you have, you can see here. Okay, basically, and some database from here will be deleted. Let me show what database will be deleted. So I'm going to delete. First of all, we have to select performance schema, this database. So let me select this, and then PHP my admin. This will be selected, and then test, and this will be selected. And three databases will be deleted. Okay, let me delete this. And now you can see these are filed, right? And all will be selected. Then one will not be selected. Now you can see ID data one, and this will be unselected. Let me unselect this. Okay, and another will be selected and will be deleted. So I'm going to delete this, and here you can see these are now deleted. So get out from here, and now you can see backup folder. We have to open this, and from here we have to copy all. Let me copy, and one will not be copied, and now you can see id data one, and this will be unselected, and I'm gonna unselect this. Now you can see it's unselected, and another will be selected. I'm gonna select and copy. Okay, and here I have copied, and get out from here, and again open data folder. I'm gonna open this, and what we have copied, and that will be paste here. I'm gonna paste this. Okay, and now, and here you can see replace, and just click this. Okay, now, okay, our work is finished here. I hope your problem is fixed and solved. Okay, our problem is solved right now. So let me open XAMPP server control panel, and from here click start Apache and Mysql. I'm going to open this. I hope it will work perfectly. And now you can see I'm gonna open this one again. Okay, yeah. Now you can see my skill is working perfectly and it's connecting. Okay, hopefully your problem is fixed. And now my skill is working. And if you face any problem, please my YouTube comment section, or say what a problem you face. And if you feel that this video is for help, please subscribe my channel. So see you next video.